Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is super exciting one. This one is super excited because your girl just got a first paid collaboration. Like, I'm super excited. I didn't see this one coming over, but I'm so excited that finally my content creation is finally paying off the way I want it to be. And guys, do you know what? And this package is from a popular brand here in Nigeria called it Darling's Hair. I've already opened the hair yesterday because of over excitement. Want to kill me. You can see it boldly now. This is how it came. So I'm just going to show you the content inside. So there are three hair inside of the same. This is the natural twist, and this is how they look. Let me show you so you guys can see it properly. They are both the same. They are in three pieces. You can see them very well, and this is color 30. And guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'll be making this hair in the salon tomorrow, and they're already giving us a guideline to follow. They give us like 8 guidelines. I picked the one that I know I can do best, and I'll be posting it on my social media, which is a TikTok. And if you know you're not following me on my TikTok handle, you are missing a lot. I create a lot of content on my TikTok, and I'll drop the handle on the screen. Ensure you follow me, because my own content on this hair is tutorial on how to style the hair in different form. So this is a Darling Superstar extension. If you have this kind of hair, or you are planning to get this kind of hair, I'm going to show you how you can style it in different form, not just taking one style all through the hair. I'm so happy for this paid collaboration, not just a PR package, but it's a paid one, and this is the first time I'll be receiving a paid collaboration. There are more PR coming in very soon from a skincare brand. I'm also going to show you guys that very soon, maybe next month or this month, but I'm going to show you guys when the PR package finally come. And guys, if you want to start content creation, you are still doubting, there is money in content creation. No, I won't lie for you. You can start now before it's too late, so that you can be getting your money as well. And I pray that God should give you more paid collaboration coming in this year, because your girl needs money. And if you know you are a beauty brand, you're looking for who is going to talk about, you're looking for someone to talk about your product, you want to give out PR package or gifting or paid collaboration, you can reach out to me with my email in my description. I deliver authentic and relatable content that you will love. And also, if you're looking for a way to get affordable wigs, nice wig, beautiful wigs, I'm going to leave a description for you to get that. And guys, I'll see you guys at the salon tomorrow. Mwah.